Hello, learners. Today, we are diving into one of the fastest growing and most in demand specializations, the GATE data science and the artificial intelligence. If you want to enter the world of machine learning, analytics, AI research, and the top IIT or NIT PG program, this examination can be your best launchpad. Let's break it down clearly. Now, what is GATE data science? GATE DS test whether you can think mathematically, analyze the data, build the models, and understand the machine learning concept. It's not a coding examination, it's a conceptual, analytical, and a mathematical exam. Now, the exam structure. The paper has three major components. Number one is the general aptitude GA, basic English and reasoning, 15 marks, easy scoring, and must not lose the marks. And number two is the mathematics, huge component like linear algebra, probability, calculus, optimization, statistics, and this is the backbone of the examination. If your math is strong, data science becomes simple. And number three comes the data science and AI, like machine learning, data pre-processing and clustering and classification, regression, neutral networks, data mining, big data basics, and the programming logic like Python fundamentals. The difficulty is moderate to high, but the pattern is stable and predictable. Now, the secret to scoring high. GATE DS is all about the conceptual clarity. Memorizing formulas would not work. You must know why the formula works. Question often involve the interpreting graphs, analyzing the matrices, applying probabilities, selecting the best ML model, and understanding overlifting, bias, variance, and the error matrices. Now, some spatial preparation tips. Build the strong basics in mathematics, especially in linear algebra and probability. Practice 20 MCQs daily from ML concept. Solve the previous year GATE CS stats question. They overlap heavily. Use the Python for learning algorithms practically, not compulsory but very helpful. And make formula sheets for the error matrices, distributions, and the vector rules. And take mock test every week to improve the speed and accuracy. And focus on understanding the concept, not memorizing the notes. GATE DS rewards deep thinking, not shortcut tricks. Now, GATE data science is a powerful career opportunity. With the right preparation, you can secure the top ranks and build a future in AI and analytics. Thank you for listening. Let's crack the GATE data science examination together. Join Dr. Saurabh's classes today and make your preparation in that next level. Thank you.